Good morning.
I'm doing student matters. First
You've
is,
got both appointments.
one's from an appointment, and the other is like a breath discovery order that just needs to be signed from a case that I picked up
Got it.
yesterday.
I'll sign it for you.
Okay,
Have them put it in the queue and I'll sign it.
okay, great, thank you. The second one is I was wondering if we could revisit PC on Miss Groves, I'm sorry.
This is the
Failure to ID,
Okay.
yes.
On April 2nd, 2025, in Harris County, Texas, the law enforcement officer initiated a traffic stop and made contact with
All right, legal fans, here's where things get interesting. Judge Fleisher is about to tear apart the probable cause. And if you've ever wondered how one missing detail can flip a case on its head, keep watching.
upon requesting identification from the defendant stated to be not able to solve identification, wrote her name, and did birth that the officer could not confirm. The law enforcement officer eventually matched the vehicle registration to the defendant's driver's license.
The problem here, if I remember correctly, that he asks her to give name, date of birth. She writes something different. That's not her identifying information.
Yes, Your Honor.
I think the issue with probable cause, Your Honor, is under the statute, she needs to be lawfully stopped, and there's no justification for the stop.
Oh, I guess I didn't even think about it. Well, what was the stop for? Did you tell me? I don't remember.
Your Honor, the only thing I have in the DEMS is that it says law enforcement officer self-initiated traffic stop.
Oh, I can't believe I missed it.
Okay.
So what do you pull her over for?
Yeah, there's no
Is she driving while black? No. Okay, no probable cause.
Okay, great.
This must be divine intervention because I never signed the probable cause order in your case like you do with every single case. It's been sitting in the queue.
yeah,
That's what it is.
I did a little bit of research on the school that he's attending, and it's to help students who are low risk of not graduating. He has been enrolled since October 2024. I do have a copy of his courses if you would like to take a look at that.
I guess, yeah. You know, my main concern is him, number one, not going to prison. Number two, messing with the wrong person and they shoot him dead. Every other week, you hear of people going after a car. They mess with the wrong person. That person has a gun and they shoot him in the back. It happens all the time. And my fear is that
Of open felonies. Let that sink in. Imagine you're the judge. Are you giving someone this many chances? Or is it time to lock things down? Drop your verdict in the comments.
he goes out and picks up a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th case. My feeling is that home confinement is the only way that we can protect the community and at the same time prevent him from picking up any more cases.
Más casos.
He's got 5 open felonies and they're serious, serious cases.
Los muy serios.
Nada.
Do you work? No, do you work?
Yes.
What is your work schedule?
Es horario de trabajo.
No, pues yo pido permiso por
¿Qué es su horario de trabajo?
dentro a las 10,
I go in at 10 7,
a las 6 de la tarde.
and I get off at 6 p.m.
So you work every day?
¿Vas todos los días?
No, descanso un día.
I rest one day.
So who's going to take him to school?
¿Quién lo va a llevar a la escuela?
Pues yo ya hablé con el señor del trabajo.
I already spoken to the man at my job.
Ajá.
So you're not taking him to school?
Sí,
Usted
yo
no
lo,
lo hace.
yo lo llevo, yo ya
I
hablé
take
con
him.
él.
I take him. I already spoke to him.
Ya después me voy para el
And
trabajo.
then I'll go to work.
I don't know if I believe that. I mean, I don't. If you're telling me you work every day,
Sí, pero yo, como le vuelvo a decir, yo ya hablé, yo no-
Like I tell you again, I've already spoken.
¿Mm?
¿Con quién habló?
con el patrón de mi
My
trabajo.
boss at my job.
I would only let him go to school if I know that you're taking him.
Él no vaya.
I don't want other people to take him.
No quiero que otras personas
I
lo
don't
lleven.
trust other people to do the right thing. So if I find that other people are taking him, I'm going to put him in jail.
Están llevando a la escuela.
I want to make sure that if he's going to school, he's actually going to school and going nowhere else.
En ningún otro lugar.
I'm putting a GPS monitor on him and we are marking the streets that he needs to take to go to school. So if he's not on that exact street and he deviates from it, the GPS will ding and I'm going to bring him back to court and we will have a hearing as to whether I'm going to revoke his bond. His bond is set at 10,004 now.
La fianza es de 10,000.
If it gets revoked, it's going to go extremely high with his 5 open felonies and now he's on probation for our case. You were telling me that you're going to take him.
¿Usted lo va a llevar?
Sí.
Yes.
What hours did you want?
Él entra a las 7, lo más tarde que él tiene que estar en la escuela es a las 8.
Okay.
The latest he can go in is at 8 a.m.
Y lo más tarde que él llega a la casa a las 1:20. Por 1:20.
Okay. Que
And he gets at home like
Sí.
at 1:20, so classes from like 8 a.m. to 1 p.m.
How many days a week?
¿Qué tantos días?
Él va de lunes a viernes.
Monday through
I thought
Friday.
you told me it was a 4-hour window that he needed to go to
So we
school,
covered felons,
right? The felony says 4 hours.
it's like
La felonía
1:35 PM to 7:25 AM, something like that. Would be when he needs to be back in the house, yeah.
Around
Like he cannot go anywhere prior to 7:25 AM and he needs to be home by
Pues
1:35
él
PM.
tiene que estar en la casa
That's
para
why that allows him to
45.
walk out of classes.
Dice así, él puede ir en los cursos.
Saturdays and Sundays, you must stay home.
Tiene que
You
estar en
want to
su
go
casa.
out.
No puede salir.
I have a monitor so I know where you are.
This is as strict as it gets GPS tracking. Street the street rules. Zero tolerance. 1. Wrong turn and it's straight back to court. The stakes, freedom or a sky-high bond you'll never post.
All times.
Yo voy a salir.
You ever test positive for anything illegal, your bond, do you understand me? The only thing that you're allowed to do is go to school and that's it. I don't want you to go to HEB. I don't want you to go to JCPenney. I don't want you to go to GameStop. Do you understand me? Nowhere else. You deviate one iota, it will not go well. We need to know the exact street that you're taking to get to school and get back. You understand? Okay. All right, Stacey, that's it. Okay.
So that's all I have for today.
Thanks.
Have a great weekend. Happy holidays.
Va a tener la ley. Si sale del área, no puedes pagar también la tienda. Cuando se lo compras, se los ponen. Tiene que ir directamente para la casa, no la tienda, no.